Hi, I'm Marie-Louise, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting new additions to Design Space, Cricut AI. This new feature takes all the friction out of designing and gives you something that's low effort, high impact, and totally one of a kind. Because Cricut AI can combine multiple images, like say a dinosaur and a skateboard, interpret complex prompts, and even transform your own photos, you end up with something incredibly specific, the kind of design you'd never find anywhere else. While Design Space is free for everyone to use, Cricut AI is available exclusively to our Cricut Access members. So Access members, you just got some extra magic. We're including 20 Cricut AI credits every month, and each AI image you generate uses just 1 credit. So, if you're already an Access subscriber, you're ready to start creating right now. And if you're not, this might be a great time to explore Access and see what it can unlock for your creativity. To access Cricut AI, we're going to head over to our canvas, either by selecting one of these project types or up here on the top. There it is on the left-hand side. Cricut AI lets you design in 2 ways. Type a text prompt or upload your own photo here. And yes, my dog is absolutely making an appearance later. You can select whether you're making a cut project or if you'd like the Cricut to draw for you. And now, Cricut AI includes several options for design styles, so your final look can be super clean, like classic, super bold, like graffiti or silhouette, or super cute, like the doodle style. Let's create a cut project first. I've had an idea I've been wanting to make my niece. It's a vinyl decal for her water bottle. We'll select Cricut AI, and you'll see your Access credit count here at the bottom. Each image generation uses 1 credit. My niece loves a lot of things. 2 of them are playing princesses and doing karate. Last week, she actually wore a tiara to her karate lesson, which was iconic. Let's see what Cricut AI can do to help commemorate that. I think I'll choose the classic style, and since we've selected the vinyl decal project, the cut function is already selected. This is so her. I'm going to click on my image to add it to my canvas, resize it, and make. It's already optimized for a clean vinyl cut. No extra cleanup or tracing required. Here is my finished project. It's exactly what I had in mind. She's gonna love this. Next up, a draw project starring my dog. I'm going to select a blank canvas for this one and select Cricut AI. This time, I'm going to click here to upload a photo of my boy. When uploading an image, a few quick tips. A regular phone photo is perfect, like from your iPhone. Avoid super large or high-res files, and always make sure you own the images you upload. I really like the way the hatch drawing looks, so I'll choose that style for this one. I'm going to add it to my canvas and size it. I'm loading up some cardstock on a mat, and now my Cricut will draw. And just like that, I have super special artwork for my house. This would be so sweet to do for someone who's in love with their pets. It would make such a special gift. With Cricut AI, you can draw projects for cards or art like this, or use it to cut vinyl decals or stencils like this. It's so quick, has super high impact, especially when you want to personalize a gift, and it's totally customizable. That's what makes Cricut AI so special. And for Access subscribers, you get 20 credits a month to bring your favorite ideas or your favorite photos to life. If you're an Access subscriber, jump into Design Space and try Cricut AI right now. And if you're not, now is a great time to explore Access and unlock your personalization possibilities. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video got you thinking of new project ideas, hit like and let me know in the comments. What would you create with Cricut AI? Happy making!